The tech industry is eagerly anticipating Samsung's next move as the Galaxy S26 promises to take smartphone performance to new heights. While the Galaxy S25 has already set a high bar, the S26 is expected to deliver even more impressive advancements, particularly in the realm of 5G connectivity. Rumors suggest that the upcoming flagship will offer significantly faster 5G speeds, potentially up to 25% quicker than its predecessor. This leap forward is likely to be powered by state-of-the-art hardware, including a next-generation Qualcomm processor and modem, which could redefine the standards for mobile network performance. Central to the Galaxy S26 capabilities is expected to be Qualcomm's latest chipset, rumored to be named the Snapdragon 8 Elite 2. This processor is set to bring a range of performance enhancements, but the most notable upgrade is likely to come from its integrated modem. Qualcomm recently introduced its newest 5G modem, the X85 5G modem RF, which is speculated to be a key feature of the Snapdragon 8 Elite 2. Compared to the X80 modem found in the Galaxy S25, the X85 promises a substantial boost in network performance, with download speeds of up to 12.5 Gbps and upload speeds of 3.7 Gbps. This improvement will translate to faster downloads, smoother streaming, and more responsive gaming, ensuring users can enjoy a seamless online experience. The X85 modem also comes equipped with an AI-powered data engine designed to optimize network performance in real time. This means users can expect faster and more stable connections for activities like gaming, clearer voice and video calls, and seamless switching between Wi-Fi and mobile networks. Whether you're in the middle of an important video call or immersed in an intense gaming session, the Galaxy S26 is expected to deliver a consistently reliable connection. Additionally, a modem's AI capabilities are said to enhance battery efficiency, allowing users to enjoy these advanced features without worrying about draining their battery too quickly. While Qualcomm's technology is expected to play a major role in the Galaxy S26, Samsung has a history of using its own Exynos processors in certain regions. If the company chooses to go this route, the S26 could feature the Exynos 2600 chipset paired with the Exynos modem 5400. Interestingly, this modem is rumored to offer even faster speeds than Qualcomm's X85, with potential download speeds reaching up to 14.79 Gbps. However, it remains unclear whether Samsung will adopt this approach globally or stick with Qualcomm's solution. Regardless of the choice, users can expect a significant upgrade in network performance and overall device capabilities. The competition in the 5G space is intensifying, with Apple also making progress in developing its own 5G modems. The iPhone 16e is rumored to feature Apple's first in-house modem, the C1, which is expected to prioritize power efficiency. However, it reportedly lacks support for Moonwave 5G, a technology that enables the fastest 5G speeds. This could give Qualcomm's X85 modem an advantage, particularly for users who demand the highest possible performance from their devices. Qualcomm has also highlighted additional benefits of the X85, including improved location tracking for better navigation and AI-driven 5G optimizations that further enhance the user experience. Beyond its impressive 5G capabilities, the Galaxy S26 is expected to set a new benchmark for flagship smartphones. The combination of faster speeds, advanced AI optimizations, and improved battery efficiency makes it a compelling upgrade over the Galaxy S25. For users who frequently download large files, stream high-definition content, or engage in mobile gaming, these enhancements could make a noticeable difference in day-to-day usage. That is it for today. Stay tuned for more updates as we get closer to the official release, and let us know your thoughts on these exciting advancements in the comments below.